Okay, from Mario to Melissa. The one over there. Hold on, hold on. Jesus, so impatient. Here you go.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what happened? Come on.
The time for a reason, boo boo. So you cannot be picky. Merry Christmas, Melissa.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Open. Open the door. Big bottle. Big bottle. Yep, big bottle.
Of course, boo boo.
I knew it. Thank you.
Yeah. And of course, this is my car.
Oh.